Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer BNB from Coinbase to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you moving your assets in no time. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and transferring it to MetaMask gives you more control over your funds for things like DeFi or NFTs. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account with BNB in it and a MetaMask wallet set up. If you don't have MetaMask yet, download the extension from the Chrome Web Store or App Store. It's free and easy. Once you're logged into Coinbase, head over to your dashboard and find your BNB balance. Click on it to open the asset page. Next, switch to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network, as BNB works best there. To do this, click the network dropdown in MetaMask and select Binance Smart Chain or BSC Mainnet. Now, copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking the account icon and selecting Copy Address to Clipboard. Back in Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section for BNB. Paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer and review the network fees. Coinbase might default to a different network, so ensure it's set to BNB Smart Chain to avoid any issues. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a final verification screen. Once you approve, the transaction will process. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your MetaMask for incoming funds. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to keep your assets secure. And there you have it. Your BNB is now in MetaMask. This process is simple, but if you run into any errors like network mismatches, just double-check your settings. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.